Hey, it's me, guys.
And me, guys.
Well, my stash is pretty full, and even she is growing her own little stash. But we actually added a few kits recently, so we figure we would put out an official stash ad video. So I gotta ask, what'd you buy Wednesday?
We bought these.
We bought a bunch of raffle tickets at the last show we went to, and someone got to bring home a few cool pics. So, you want to show them what you got?
Sure. I already know what I got first and second. I called airplanes.
Always a good variety of kits to pick from at IPMS shows. So, why don't you show them what you chose for your winnings?
Okay. First, I got these. A truck. What's it called?
It's called the pulled pork. Bulldozer.
Pulled pork.
That's a pulling truck. So we already have a bright pink truck almost finished. What do you think? Are we gonna go pink with that one, or are you gonna pick a different color?
Pink. Pink. Pink.
You gonna do another pink one?
Pink. Yeah, it is a pig. Pink.
It is what it is. Right.
Yeah. So then second I got this. It's a plane with like covers and people. And then I got this. Yeah, it's actually two planes. Looks like they separated.
Yeah, there's two separate kits in there.
So I got this one. It's a plane. And I got this one. It's also a plane.
We're gonna have lots of cool planes to hang from the ceiling. So we're really excited.
Hang from the ceiling! I also built a plane. And it's called camouflaged.
Yeah.
Wait until you see the video. It's cool.
It was pretty fun. It was pretty fun to paint.
It is cool.
So, and I could not resist picking up this Chevy Extreme pickup. Big fan of S10s. So I was really excited to see that one. I was really excited to see they're releasing this one. I do have the older version with the older dated grill. I know they do have 3D printed options to convert an old one to this, but what I was really excited about for this kit was the silver SS stripes that come on the set of decals. Definitely have an idea for that, and thanks to Joe, I found that Scale Finishes has early 2000s indigo blue metallic GM matched paint ready to go in the airbrush. So I'm sure one or two of those bottles will be on its way to our house sometime soon. For our stash ads, we got a couple cool Chevy pickups and some airplanes to hopefully get hung from the ceiling. So we'll check out what you guys are building, and until next time, happy building.
Peace!